All NDA MLAs, including BJP Manipur legislators, have been directed to report to New Delhi on February 2. According to sources received by SKTV News, BJP Manipur President Adhikari Mayum Sardar and BJP North East Coordinator Sambit Patra personally informed the MLAs of the call, asking them to reach the capital before 3 p.m. of February 2. Several MLAs have already departed, while the remaining are expected to leave today. The purpose of the meeting has not been officially disclosed, sparking speculation over discussions on forming a new government in the state. It may be mentioned that the President's rule imposed on February 13, 2025 will complete 1 year on February 12. Political observers have noted that failure to form a government before this date could lead to major political changes, including possible dissolution of assembly. However, it is also unclear who may emerge as the leader if a new government is formed.